Yo, me get ya we can do a thing proper. I make sure them up on it wet up like the water. Me never know if I should put me in the corner. See I do a thing right. No one no mix fuck y'all where they in the drama. Me a nice woman freaky when the lights off. First one leaves, just one for brighter. Justice to time. Yeah, me just take time. We got all night. We can do it over again. We're there on fire. The sunlight. You want love, make you say.
Yo, Chef Young better than everything we're bad. And we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
I mean, I said the marker represent for Chef Young. If you now watch Chef Young thing, you now watch nothing hear that. Them marker say that. Oh no.
Yeah, this is the Usual Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. Alright. Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me there. Whoa. You know the style me there. I'm drunk right now. Chef Young, big up yourself, you know.
Yo, Chef Young, you know about this going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London.
Okay, are you ready? I want you to help me to welcome this youth on stage right now. When he touch stage, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay? He's coming from a good family. He's coming from a legendary family. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the upcoming champions from right here in Toronto. Help me make some noise for Justice Kumari. Come on. Justice Kumari.
Talk, Rebel, how you feeling? How you feeling? You never shine at all. Boy, hey, these rows of flames are catching a fire. Told you I love you, you call me a liar. Greetings, hey, oh why? Well, I'm looking now across the nighttime. A city wings asleep beside. Well, I hear her voice shake my window. Sweet seducing inside. Well, it get me out to the nighttime. For all for me tonight. Well, if this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. Yeah, baby. You tell him that it's human nature. Why? If you do it that way, can they say why? You tell him that it's human nature. If you do it that way, well, I'm looking now. Yeah! So this one now, my original tech time. Give thanks, Rebel, for having me. A pleasure. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. No. Baby. Yeah. Alright. Yo, me get ya we can do a thing proper. I make sure them up on it wet up like the water. Me never know if I should put me in the corner. See I do a thing right. No one no mix fuck y'all where they in the drama. Me a nice woman freaky when the lights off. First one leaves, just one for brighter. Justice to time. Yeah, me just take time. We got all night. We can do it over again. We're there on fire. The sunlight. You want love, make you sick. Come in our waistline. Dark eyes. She said, baby, I'm coming again. It's been a long time. All mine. You're falling for justice again. You like my lifestyle. You want the monster. You can't let go from me. You want me right now. Turn up the lights now. Come bring it to me. Mix, I get the feeling, girl, that you need me. Yeah, my name is Justice Kumari. This was wonderful vibrations, our pleasure. I appreciate you all for coming out. Until next time, love.
Yeah.
Wow. Rebel give thanks, you know this one now. One bedroom. Can I see all the sexy ladies with a hand up, please? Big up all the mothers and empresses. Let's go. Yeah. Running in your head, this edge wants some healing. You wanna feel it? Hey, what justice to love and now you're dead. Yeah, cause I wanna climb. Don't want your man and my girl's not my side. Got to wait feeling, but baby, no, I'm shy. I'll pick you up today. Can you ride through the night? In that one bedroom, just for me and you. Rose never sparker, you drug for two. Legs up high like you reach for the moon. Can I see some hands up, please? I said come after you. That one bedroom, just for me and you. Rose never sparker, you drug for two. Legs up high like you reach for the moon. You say it, yo, you got my yard style, so mix, hey. I wanna love you, touch you down all over. You got me stacking up like you bent over. I'll pull you on the hood up on the Range Rover until you come again. Man, I know first, yo, me can make you look slower. Me feel bad up for none but me a real owner. The little wine I love you gon' make me show her. But I got love again in that woman for me and you. Thank you again, once again, Rebel. It's love, it's love, it's love. My name is Justice Kumari, and this is the only beginning of my story.
Come on, make some noise. Give it up, give it up, give it up. Give it up for the young champion, believe me. Another couple of years I can't hold him. Remember me tell you.
Yeah, this is Lucian Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. All right.
Good.
Kings of Kings promotion. Enough respect. Give thanks for the great show and the turnout and the people really supported Kings of Kings promotion. And I was just honored to be a part of this and this promotion.
Blessed love.
It's an honor. Kings of Kings
Blessed
promotion.
love. Kings of
Charles
Kings.
David, enough respect. Mr.
Kings of
David.
Kings.
Honor. Kings of Kings.
Yes, Kings of Kings. Bless up.
Bless.
Yeah, messenger.